Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make Canva quizzes in a classic way. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just head over here to the element section and type in quiz and search for polls and quizzes option. And after that you can find many kind of designs here, or else you can do one thing, just go over here, click here on apps, and then just scroll down, look for quiz and polls. So you can also get the AI quiz maker here in order to make your quiz. So that's it with the video guys, I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.